Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are going to solve another question, that is write a query to find all the orders where order date is in 2020 and but ship date is in 2021. So let's bifurcate the question first. The first part is write a query to find all the orders. This is our first part of the question. The second part is the order date is in between is in 2020, the second part. The third part is ship date is in 2021. Okay, so as you can see the order date, we have a column name as order date and a ship date. So there are chances where order is placed in 2020 but the shipment is started in 2021. Okay, so let's write our query as per our questions. So first we will write a query to find all the orders. How we can write this? So we will write select star from orders. Orders is our table. So let's execute this so that we can know what is the database from where we have to find this details. So we have a database. We have this database in which 9,994 rows are available, and let's go to our second part of the question where order date is in 2021. So this is our condition. So let's put our condition by using where clause. So we will write where. The column name is order date, right? So we will write order date. We will use between keyword because there is a time, particular year we have to mention. So we will use between colon 2020 10 sorry 01 to 01, right? This is our first January 2021 to till when 31st December 2020, right? So we will write 12 31st. Okay, so this is the second part of the question is done. Now the third part of the question is but ship date is in 2021. So we will write again, and because this is our first second part of the question is done till here. Now we will write the second column, that is ship date column. Ship date between the same date we will copy because we just have to change the year. So we will change here our year. Okay, and the query is done. So let's run this much first so that we can check whether our result is coming right or not. So what we are supposed to get, we should get the orders that are placed in 2020. So as you can see here, 2019, 2018, 2021, there are so many different years are mentioned here, right? So let's run this and we will get order date as 2020 only. Okay, so as you can see the data is reduced to 2587 and the order date has only 2020 as our year, right? So when we put this condition also, as you can see here there are 2021, right? 2020 as our ship date. There are only few orders. Let me show you some orders where 2021 as ship date. Let me scroll down a bit more. Okay, so the ship date is, and we are not able to find this way, but once we run this query we will get our details. Okay, so as you can see here the order date condition is also satisfying and the ship date condition is also satisfying. As you can see there 2021 as our order date year and 2021 as our ship date year. So this is how we can solve these kind of questions where two dates are mentioned. Okay,